In this session, we are going to learn how to play the first and the last instrumental sections of the piece, as well as learn how to sing along to the verse and the chorus.
Let's warm up. We need 3 different notes to play along with Hall of Fame. The first 2 are the G on the 3rd string and the D on the 4th string. There is also a new note F. Mr. Murphy will now explain how to play it.
F note, string 4, fret 3. 4th string from the floor, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3rd fret with your 3rd finger.
Now we're going to copy back some rhythms.
I'm going to apply a rhythm and leave a space for you to copy it back. We're going to start with the G note. Here we go. Let's play some more rhythms back. This time let's do it on the D note. Let's give it a go with the F note. I'll play, you copy back in the space.
Here is a video of Mr. Murphy playing Ds and Fs. Have a listen, then rewind and play along.
Changing from the D to the F note, make sure your 3rd finger is hovering over the 3rd fret. One, 2, 3, 4.
Here is a video of Mr. Murphy playing Fs and Gs. Have a listen, then rewind and play along.
F to G warm up. Start with your F note fretted ready. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tempo is how fast the pulse of a piece of music is. When you hear music on TV, think about the tempo. Is it fast, slow, or medium? The tempo symbol for this song means there are 85 beats every minute. Rhythm is how we describe the mixture of long sounds, short sounds and rests that make up music. Here is a video which will teach you the main rhythm for Hall of Fame.
Okay, we're going to learn the different rhythms we need to be able to play the guitar part. We're going to start off with a simple rhythm and then we're going to build it up to the rhythm we need to play. Let's have a listen to this basic rhythm first. There's a 4-click counting. So let's count the rhythm together. It tells us at the bottom how to count the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that on the 3rd string, the G note. 3rd string from the floor. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's have a listen to the next step. Play the rhythm. Again, it's written underneath. 1 bar counting. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Let's play that again on the G note. 3rd string. Okay, the rhythm's getting a little bit more interesting now. It's similar to the last rhythm, but this time we're not going to play on the 2, we're going to leave that out. Play on the and of beat. Let's say it together. We need to say the 2 so we can get the and in the right place. But when we actually play, we're not going to play on that first part of the beat. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Let's play it on the 3rd string, the G note. Okay, we're nearly there now. Let's have a look at our last rhythm we need to learn. Very similar to the last one, except there's a special symbol here called the tie. This note's tied together, so we don't need to replay the note on beat 3. Let the note ring on. Okay, let's have a little listen to it. Say the rhythm together. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 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 Let's try and play it on the 3rd string, the G note.
In the next video you will see Mr. Morley, me, playing the guitar part. Have a listen, then pause this video in order to have a practice. Finally, play along.
Finally, let's play along and sing to the backing track.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to session 2 of Hall of Fame next time.